The human brain, a small 1.4 kilograms organ that controls your entire life. Every thought, every emotion, every heartbeat, all are managed by this supercomputer inside your skull. But do you know how it's structured and how each part actually works? Let's explore the incredible world inside your brain. 1. The basic structure of the brain. The brain is divided into 3 main parts. 1. Cerebrum. 2. Cerebellum. 3. Brainstem is protected by skull cranium, hard bone cover, meninges to 3 thin layers, dura mater, arachnoid mater, pia mater, cerebrospinal fluid CSF shock absorber that cushions the brain. The brain is made of 86 billion neurons that communicate through electrical impulses called synapses. The cerebrum is the largest part, around 80% of the total brain. It's divided into 2 hemispheres. Left hemisphere, logical, analytical, mathematical thinking. Right hemisphere, creative, emotional, artistic thinking. These hemispheres are connected by a bundle of nerve fibers called the corpus callosum, which helps them share information. Lobes of the cerebrum. Each hemisphere has 4 lobes, each with special functions. 1. Frontal lobe, front side. Responsible for decision-making, planning, problem-solving, and personality. Controls voluntary movements via the motor cortex. Example, when you decide to raise your hand, your frontal lobe sends that signal. 2. Parietal lobe, top middle. Manages touch, temperature, pain, and spatial awareness. Example, you feel the texture of an object through this lobe. 3. Temporal lobe, sides. Handles hearing, memory, and understanding language. Contains hippocampus, important for memory formation. Example, when you listen to a song or remember lyrics, this lobe is active. 4. Occipital lobe, backside. Responsible for vision and visual processing. Example, you recognize faces or read text through this lobe. The cerebellum, the balance controller, located under the cerebrum at the back of the head. Functions: controls balance, coordination, and movement precision. Helps you walk, run, or catch a ball smoothly. Also involved in muscle memory like riding a bicycle. Without the cerebellum, your movements would be jerky and uncoordinated. 4. The brainstem, the life support center. The brainstem connects the brain with the spinal cord. It controls all involuntary actions that you don't think about. Divided into 3 parts. A midbrain controls reflexes related to vision and hearing. Example, you quickly turn your head when you hear a loud noise. Pons acts as a bridge between the cerebrum and cerebellum, regulates sleep, breathing, and facial expressions. C. Medulla oblongata controls heartbeat, blood pressure, and digestion. Example, even while sleeping, your medulla keeps you alive. 5. The limbic system, the emotional brain. Deep inside the cerebrum lies the limbic system, which manages emotions, motivation, and memory. Main parts: amygdala processes fear, anger, and emotional responses. Hippocampus stores memories and helps learning. Hypothalamus controls hunger, thirst, sleep, body temperature, hormones. Example, when you feel scared or happy, your limbic system is at work. 6. The thalamus and hypothalamus, the communication hub. Thalamus, like a relay station, sends sensory info, touch, sight, sound to the right brain areas. Hypothalamus controls hormones, body temperature, hunger, and emotions. Also connects to the pituitary gland, which releases hormones throughout the body. 7. The spinal cord and peripheral system. The spinal cord extends from the brainstem and carries messages between the brain and body. Every movement or sensation travels through it. 8. Interesting facts. The brain uses 20% of the body's total oxygen and energy. It generates about 20 watts of electricity. You can't tickle yourself because your brain predicts your own movements. Your brain keeps working even while you sleep. It's cleaning and repairing itself. So, your brain is the most complex structure in the known universe. It defines your thoughts, feelings, memories, and identity. So take care of it, sleep well, eat healthy, learn new things, and keep your mind active.